Hi guys, today I will show you how to link your Google Analytics account with Shopify. First, we need to go to Google Analytics. If it's your first time using Google Analytics, just type Analytics in Google and click on the first link. Choose Start Measuring. If you already use Google Analytics and want to link a new website in your store, go to your Google Analytics dashboard and click on Setting or Admin and click on Create Account. So we will put here our account name. For example, just put your store name. For example, my store name. And click on Next. The property name, choose any name. For example, I will put the same name. And click on Show Advanced Options and create a Universal Analytics property, enable it. So, and put here your Shopify link. For example, here I will put my Shopify. This store is just for test. I will put the link here and choose create both a Google Analytics 4 and the Universal Analytics property and click on Next. Just skip this business information and click on Create. Accept the policy. And that's it. Save. Just okay. And we need to get our code. Donc, just go to the first property, select all website data, go to admin, and tracking info, click on tracking code. Just copy this tracking ID, go back to your Shopify store, click on online store, go to preferences, and go to Google Analytics bar, put the ID here. Click on save. After that, choose use enhanced e-commerce and click on save. And that's it. We will just test our store here. For example, I will go to the store here. Okay, and now go back to the home page in Google Analytics. We will test if the code is work or not. Yes, that's it. One active user right now, so everything is good. If you like this tutorial, this is my first tutorial on YouTube. Just hit the like button and click on subscribe to